Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here then hello and thank you very much for joining. I hope you're all okay. I hope you've had a lovely week and this weekend's about to get even hotter, so that's exciting. Today's video is going to be a clean with me in my kitchen, so I'll be doing all things like the worktops, the cupboards, the sink, the floor, and a quick spruce up of the bin. And most of the things that I do, or the majority, are from Mrs. Hinch. So thanks to Mrs. Hinch, we all have nice, clean, tidy houses. So I'm going to show you how I do my kitchen. So before we get into it, make sure you've got your cups of tea, you've got your blankets, you're sat snuggled on the sofa, and come clean with me. Hello everybody. Okay, so up first we have put in a bit of zoflora in the middle of the sink, just so that I can soak my sponges and my cloths as I go around the kitchen. So I literally pick any zoflora that you like, put a capful in the sink and fill with hot water. Okay, now it's time to wash the pots that are sat on the side. Mine, as you can see in the background, Brad is just getting rid of all of the spiders and everything else that's going on. That's his duty, and I'll do the pots. Okay, up next it's time to sort out the plugs in the kitchen sink. So as you can see, I use the soda crystals and I will literally just pour them in down the plug until it fills the entire plug. And then I will use the Stardrops white vinegar and spray that all over that soda crystals until it starts to foam up. And then grab your favourite zoflora, pour a capful into the lid and pour that down the drain as well, just on top of the soda crystals and the vinegar, because nobody wants their kitchen stinking of vinegar after you've done this. And then what you'll just need to do is grab your kettle, fill it up and boil it. And then once it's boiled, you can pour it all over. And it is so satisfying to see it all wash away. Promise you won't be disappointed. So now it's the exciting time, guys. Are you ready? Look at that, it's all gone. Oh, I just love watching this. Okay, so it's now time to get the Pine 4-in-1 disinfectant, which is also a Stardrops product. We're just going to spritz this all over the worktops, all over the hob, and then get your Pinkeh, which is like the sponge textured, like mop-up kind of sponge, and just clean over all over the kitchen. So that sponge that I have that I'll use in this video is already soaking in zoflora in the sink at the moment, just to get rid of any of the bacteria or anything that's stuck onto it before I start wiping over the surfaces. So that's quite a good top tip to have. Okay, for my hob to make it nice and shiny, I use the Sif Perfect Finish stainless steel spray, along with Buddy, so that is just like a soft cloth. Just wipe that all over and that will bring up your hob nice and sparkling. Then on the front of the oven door, I just used the same Stardrops white vinegar as I used in my sink, along with a microfiber cloth, and just spritz that all over and wipe it down until it all blends in and it brings up your oven nice and shiny. This is like a secret hack, as if you look like you've actually cleaned, like deep cleaned your oven, when in fact you haven't, you've just put vinegar on the front of the door. So keep this one in mind, girls. Then up next, we're going to clean the kitchen cupboard doors with the Astonish germ disinfectant spray, which is also in pine, along with our Minkeh. So I basically just spritz these all over the kitchen cupboards and the door handles, and then work the product in with Minkeh. And then you can also use the green side just so that it gets away all the suds and you're not leaving any excess on the doors as well. This is a great little hack to have because it gets rid of all the germs and anything that's splashed on the cupboard doors, and it also makes your kitchen smell amazing. So if you love the smell of pine, or you have your own favourite spray, which is a disinfectant, make sure you do this at least once a week. Then I'm just going to do it exactly the same as what I've done on the cupboard doors with the bin. So use the same Minkeh, so this is going to go straight in the kitchen sink after this anyway. So just use the green side, smother that all over the bin, make sure you get any germs that were from where people may have touched the bin, or where anything splashed as you've put things in the bin. Then you're just going to put Minkeh in the sink with all of that zoflora, so it gets rid of all of the germs. Now we're going to use our Dettol all-in-one disinfectant spray all over the kitchen cupboard handles, and we're also going to spritz the bin with this as well, just as a final germ killer machine. And then, because I have fabric dining chairs in the kitchen, I use my Febreze and I literally spray this all over the chairs on the inside and the back of them, and just go around and do this at least once a week, because obviously they're in the kitchen and all of the food and everything we cook, the smell of that goes on the chairs as well, so it's quite nice to have a bit of Febreze and freshen them up. Okay, so as Brad has already hoovered the floor, I'm just going to mop the floor with my Vera. I already have zoflora diluted in here, and I use the linen scent because I love it. So just get this all over the kitchen floor and also on the dining room side as well. And then the final job is to light your candle so that you know that everything is done and everything is clean. Hey everybody, that is my clean with me in my kitchen all complete for the evening. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you could subscribe down below, I'd love you forever and ever, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!